Captioning is important for a number of reasons and has many uses.
It makes content accessible for those who are deaf or hard of hearing and helps those with learning disabilities.
People with ADHD, limited English proficiencies, rudimentary reading and writing skills, and even those who are just visual learners all benefit from captions. Not only that, if you're in a noisy room and can't use audio, you can use captions to watch the program you would like.
A really easy way to caption any videos you create is through using YouTube. You can use the auto-generated captions and then later go in and edit the timings and words.
You could also create the script yourself.
First, you would create the transcript for the video with the exact wording and any sound effects. Afterwards, upload your video to your YouTube channel. You can do so by going to My Channel and clicking Manage Videos. Go to your dashboard and click on Upload Videos. When it's fully uploaded, go into Channel Content and click on the little pen icon on the video you'd like to caption. You'll then click on the Subtitles button on the left of the screen. You can add captions by choosing the Type Your Own Captions area where you can copy and paste your transcript.
You can then let YouTube establish the timestamps and adjust as needed.
Then, it's all good to go, and you're able to publish the captions. You can also download the video with the added captions for it to be used on other sites.
So have fun captioning using YouTube.